How to make any app open a pop-up view on your Android device. If you like to make any app open in pop-up view on your Android, you can follow up the steps. So what you can do is you can typically use the recent apps menu for that. Head over the recent apps and you will be finding the recent apps that you've used. Now, in order to use the pop-up, for example, I would like to do it for my settings. Now, what you need to do is once you find it in recent section, long press on it and you will be finding this here, so you can drop it here for the pop-up view. You can see that on my screen. You also may do so, and the app will be available like this. Now you can tap on this like this and minimize it, and there you go. This is the pop-up view. You may follow up the same process for other applications as well. This feature may not be available for all the applications, but many apps support it. So you can basically follow up the steps in order to do so, and that's it. So therefore, you may follow up the steps in order to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.